This is a Samsung booth, and behind me is the brand new Terrace, which is Samsung's first outdoor TV. Yes, you've heard that right. It's completely weatherproof and extremely bright, as you can see, to cut through all the sun glare, right? It is the perfect summer TV for outdoor to enjoy, barbecue while watching movie with your friends. So come check it out. All right, guys, so yes, there's a lot of TVs behind me, but we've got a lot more, all right? Other than TVs, a whole range of home appliances, like our laundry solution, lots of fridge options, and of course, a live cooking demo. So come check it out. But most importantly, brand new, our stick vac, Samsung stick vac. Amazing, amazing, all right? They are very, very intuitive. You'll probably never go back to cordless. So, all right, guys, so this is a Samsung booth at the Canterbury Home Show. From home appliances to stick vac to 8K TVs, I'm sure you'll find something you'll like. Come check it out.